Hey guys, this is Desert Dave, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious beef jerky. It's one of my favorites, and I'm sure it'll be one of yours. So we're going to start with a London broil. I get a London broil because there's not very much fat on it. You want to pick a meat with not very much fat because the fat doesn't come out very well once the meat is dehydrated. We're going to cut our meat into 1/8 of an inch slices, give or take. They don't have to be exactly 1/8 of an inch. A little bigger, a little smaller. Thicker they are, the juicier it'll be. So we're going to cut this whole slab of meat. It's a little over 2 pounds, about 2 1/4 pounds is how big this piece is. I always make sure it's more than 2 pounds. You see we trimmed our fat off there. And we're just going to keep rolling here. Get that delicious jerky. Whoa, that's good squishy. Now, you could marinate it, you could season it. We're going to start off by seasoning this jerky. First, we start with some salt. You want to salt it whether you're going to just do spices or marinade because it helps it to cure. Cure and preserve. So we get it all seasoned up. Now we got some garlic powder. I love garlic powder. That's why it's the first seasoning I'm putting on. Then we got some minced onion. They're going to be double dehydrated. And we're also going to put some black pepper on there. You can put whatever you want. You know, the world is your oyster. You go ahead and have fun with it. Now, it could go straight to the dehydrator, but I'm putting it in a plastic bag because I'm going to marinate a couple of different flavors. I got the teriyaki and the barbecue sauce. So I started by putting a little bit in the bottom of the bag so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the bag. And then we're just going to layer it in. About half of it, put some more, the other rest, and put some more. You're going to mix it up too, so kind of squeeze it and mix it around there. Now, bam, Worcestershire. It's a surprise. Worcester. I'm doing the same thing, putting it in the bottom, mix it up a little bit, and we're going to layer it in there. Worcester. I've even done where I've mixed sriracha, tapatio, and just a bunch of hot sauces. It comes out delicious. Worcestershire. I've even done a beer jerky. We're going to let this marinate for 30 minutes. I let it marinate for 3 hours this time. 30 minutes is the bare minimum, but a few hours is better. This is our dehydrator. It's a Nesco. Any dehydrator will work. You can pick them up for anywhere from 40 to 80 bucks. And we're going to get all our jerky in there and get it going so that we can eat. You want to leave enough space for the air to move around and cook it. I'm stacking stacks of meat, and we're going to cook it for 6 to 8 hours. I cooked it for 6 hours. If you get towards 8, it gets a little crispy. Set it to 160, but 6 hours I've found is about where I like it. You can experiment and see how you like it. I like to start about midnight, 1 a.m., so I could wake up to fresh jerky, like a chip right off the line. All right, and here comes our jerky. This is what we've been waiting for. You can see the thick white gristle where we didn't remove some fat. But there's not much of it thanks to our nice lean London broil. I'm also the taste tester. And doesn't that look good? Oh, I love having a little bag of jerky that I can always go and munch on. Keep it in the pantry. Keep it in your pants, man. And it'll last for weeks. Several weeks. And I've never had it go bad, let me put it that way. Be sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll make more. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. More delicious stuff coming up next from Desert Dave.